panis. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Stars on the Floor Dance Break. Yan. At ngayon ay hindi muna kaming dalawa. May kasama kami from Season 1. One of the best sa Season 1. Kung may panis, ito ay panis ka. Welcome mo.
Woo! Panis ka! Yes! Let's go, team! Woo! Team, panis ka!
Yan. Kami magko-contemporary.
Yes! This is the last episode bago mag-finale.
Yes.
Grabe, guys! Pero guys, ito na nga. I have a challenge for you two.
May papel na yan eh.
Diba? May papeles ako dito eh.
Anong challenge yan?
So, may dalawang trivia akong sasabihin na about sa sarili ko.
Okay.
Isa doon, totoo, and isa doon, hindi, fake.
Okay.
Tapos, kung sino sa inyo yung makakapili, na, kunyari nakapili na kayo, parang paunahan lang doon sa dalawa, automatic doon na sa isa,
Yung panalo.
doon na sa isa yung isang trivia mapupunta. Tapos kung sinong panalo, siya yung, ang prize natin is siya yung pipili ng consequence sa loser.
So parang may dare, ganun.
Yes. Depende sa kung sino mananalo, kung ano gusto niya pagawa sa kanya, patamblingin mo.
So may there.
Yes. Okay? G tayo.
Hindi pa
Okay.
naman ako nananalo dyan. Hindi ako
Patay ka.
nananalo.
Tingnan natin.
Baka ito na yung chance mo, Paul.
Oo nga. Okay.
Okay. Pwede, basahin ko na ha. Ito yung 2 trivia. Game? Trivia number 1. Habi namin magkapatid mag-usap in Indian accent. Trivia number 2.
Really?
Nung season 1, may stalker ako na linggo-linggong nanonood sa studio tapos lagi siyang nasa harap.
Okay.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
2.
Ay, perfect! Magkahiwalay sila! Ito, para sa inyo. Yan yun. Sabihin ko na ba, guys?
Yes.
The winner is... Denise!
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys.
Sorry po, wala ka talaga. Talo ka na naman.
Sana yun na ako.
Sayang naman.
Yes.
Nananalo na sana.
Paano yung
So,
accent?
totoo, na nag-uusap kami.
Actually, nakwento sa akin ni Kakay. Kasi
Nagtandaan
syempre,
niya!
ini-interview ko, sabi niya nung, sabi ko, sino yung parents
machika ka
mo?
pala, no? Machika ka
Yung
pala.
parents mo, sino yung gantong lahi, ganyan. Tapos sabi niya pa, nung sa na parang akala nila, pag nag-speak sila ng English, ganyan, tapos mahilig sila mag-aral ng mga languages.
Oh.
Grabe,
Sample
napuntahan niya yun, guys. Okay, sample. Hello, everybody. This is Kakay Almeda, and I'm so grateful to be part again and to be here in the season 2 of Stars on the Floor. Oh my gosh, it's so good. And yeah, I can't wait to pull off this performance with Denise and Paul. Bye, guys.
Grabe.
Grabe!
Hindi kasi
What a trivia.
Nasa Dubai kasi yung mga ni Kakay.
Galing mo, machika ka pala talaga, no?
Okay, go, Denise.
Ayos, ha? Ano?
Or ikaw bahala, pumili ka na lang.
Ano?
Dapat maayos na to, yung...
Papakantayin mo na naman ako. Ha?
Ayusin mo kasi yung nakaraan na there.
Hilig mo yata nung kumakanta ako. Pwede mo naman sabihin, magpapa-concert ako para sa'yo.
Wow!
Wow, grabe naman yun.
Sir!
Anong favorite song mo?
Mag-ano ka na lang, mag-rap, gano'n.
Ay, yun na lang. Rap na lang, specific rap.
Ay,
Go, Paul.
Rap? Gusto mo mag-rap ako?
Okay.
Biyan yung... Ano pa? Tinatono pa, tinatono. 5,
6, 7, 8.
Napupuyat na ako kakapaalala. Kumain at mag-ingat kung sakaling magdala ka. Lagi sinisipat ang imahe ng dalaga na pangarap makasama ko sa hirap at ginawa.
Grabe. Grabe, swaggy nga. Swaggy nga siya.
Okay, so ito na nga ang ating from season 1 guest dance star, JL! Ayan! Oh my God!
Hi guys! Hi Dance Universe! It's me
Grabe
again!
to! Parang sabog na tong episode 15 na to. Parang
Pasabugin na natin.
yes, alam niyo na yung mangyayari, everybody. So, andito si Jao, Shanti, at ang ating season 1. Dance star na si James. Oh my God, like,
I missed you guys.
oh my gosh, guys. So, ito na nga. So, ang treatment kasi natin for this episode is Charlie's Angel.
Period!
Yes. So, bali,
Right up our
parang
alley.
medyo magwawalwalan tayo for this episode. Okay? So, Shanti, be ready. Okay? So, alam mo na yan, bilang ang kasama ay dalawang...
the pressure.
Yes, kaya mo yan. Alright? So ngayon, meron ako ituturo sa inyo. Okay? Chill lang to.
Be, alam mo na from season 1, Be. Hindi yan
Okay,
chill.
okay, ituturo ko lang muna sa inyo yung dance break muna siguro natin and then like, saka natin isusunod-sunod. Alright? So
Okay.
game, find your position and game tayo. So ready? So from shoota, yan. So ito lang tayo. So 5, 6, meron lang tayong k. Then step lang yung right and left. Right, left, bang, and. Yes. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1 and a 2 and open 2. Grabe, napakabilis ng utak nyo. Grabe, like, grabe talaga ang stars on the floor.
Finalist eh.
Yes.
Finalist. Tama? Finalist.
Napakabilis sila mag-memorize. Kita yun, isang turo ko lang, gets agad nila.
Oh my gosh. I would
my
say it's a
gosh.
dream come true performing on TV with VJM.
Ang galing
Period.
niya po talaga, super respect.
Thank you, guys.
And it's so exciting to be performing with him talaga.
Yes. I think this is a sign we're claiming it.
Yeah. The
Diba?
stars are aligning for us.
Correct.
Yes.
For
Thank
this
you,
episode.
Lord. After namin mag-suffer so much. Di ba yan? This long period na nabubulok kami. O, Jao, sayo mo. I love the dance, pero so soft. This is the time to
Let
redeem
Chow
ourselves.
explode. Let
Yes.
Chow explode.
Let's Chow explode.
5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. 1 and a 2 and a open cut and then meron lang tayong round na 2 times. Round, round, and tap. Alam niyo na agad? Grabe, parang naunahan niyo ako agad.
Hindi.
Grabe kayo. So from here tayo, 5, 6, 7, go. Slow, slow, and cut. Yes, from the top. Ready, 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1 and a 2 and a 2, 1. And boom, and cut. Next, from here, jump lang tayo pa front. We have step and cut. Grab. Then we have clap, 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 clap. Yes. So we're going down. Okay?
Yeah.
So from here, pat. Then jump, 5, 6, 7, go. Jump, 2, and we have 3 and 4. Then from here, we have 2 sock, forward, and look. Okay, so from here, 5, 6, 7, go. 2 sock, down, and cap. Okay, then we have up. And after this, we have wine, 1 and a 2 and a 3 and cap. Okay, tatlo lang siya.
Pataas po ba siya? Or
Pa-diagonal, then pa-Z, then pa-point. Hindi, charit lang.
parang,
Hindi. So pataas lang siya, Shanti. So 5, 6, 7, go. Up, and a 2, and a 3, and 4. Yes. Okay, from the top
Okay.
na. Kasi parang kabisado niyo na siya eh.
Yeah.
Ready? So 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, and a 2, and a boom, boom, 2, 2, and 2, 2, and a 1, 2, 2, blah, 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 and 2, 2, 2, boom, up, and a wine, and a wine, and a wine, and cut. Yan.
So, I have a shocking question for you.
Okay.
Saan ka pinaka-excited for our performance?
Ako, honestly, more than like killing the piece with you guys. Ako, excited lang ako ulit to be on the dance floor ng Stars on the Floor.
Yeah.
It's been a while, it's been a year, and I'm just really, really excited to see the people again and just perform for the judges. So, and I'm excited to kill it, and I'm excited to win with you guys.
Exactly.
Excited na ako sa dance-off, yun pala.
Yes, yes. Oh
Yun
my
pala
God.
yung ano ko, yung...
Masabugin natin.
Oo.
Nakaka-excite naman. Magbaliwan tayo doon. Balagbagan
Balagbagan.
Festival.
Let's go.
Okay, so sino po sa palagay niyo yung makakalaban natin sa dance-off? Kasi for sure, nasa dance-off na tayo.
Oo, kasi isa na tayo doon sa atin ng isang spot. Siguro lalayo pa ba ako kay Josh? Yung team ni Josh. Feeling ko malakas yung team ni Josh. Pero mas malakas tayo. So,
Period.
hindi nila tayo kaya.